London is a beautiful sight, with the people here working by day and by night. They don't plant potatoes, nor cotton, nor wheat, still there's gangs of them digging for gold in the street. At least when I asked them, that's what I was told. So I just took a hand at this digging for gold. But for all that I found there, I might as well be where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea. You remember young Timmy O'Loughlin, of course. Well, now he is here at the head of the force. I met him today, I was crossing the Strand, and he stopped every car with one wave of his hand. And there we stood talking of days that are gone, while the whole population of London looked on. But for all of his power, he's yearning like me for the mountains of Mourne that sweep down to the sea. Thank you.
Wow, my father, Mr. President, used to always say, a bird never flew on one wing.
Oh. Bar the doors, my fellow Democrats. If I, James Michael Curley, if I am elected governor of in the coming gubernatorial election, I will take the useless gold dome from the top of the State House, turn it upside down, place it in the middle of Andrews Square in South Boston, fill it with water, and let the little children of South Boston use it as a swimming pool. Curly makes no rash promises. When you go to the polls on Tuesday next, vote early, vote often, vote Curly. Okay. You guys can sing this song. My feet are here on Broadway, this blessed harvest morn. But oh, the ache that's in my heart for the spot where I was born. My weary hands are blistered through work in cold and heat. And oh, to swing earth once more through a field of Irish wheat. Had I the chance to wander back or to own a king's abode, I'd sooner see the hawthorn tree by the old bog road. My mother died last springtime, when Erin's fields were green. The neighbors said her waking was the finest ever seen. There were snowdrops and primroses piled high beside her bed, and Fern's church was crowded when the funeral mass was said. But here was I on Broadway, a building bricks per load, when they carried out her coffin down the old bog road. That's about right, don't you think that's right? I want to thank Seamus for giving me this opportunity to sing a song. I got more nerve. My wife is going to give me the hook in 2 minutes. I see someone taking pictures. It's probably the Globe Spotlight. Are you not from the Globe Spotlight?
I'm from Coltus.
Coltus, so that's good. Well, the Globe, you know, the Globe, it looks down at the Herald, you know, the tabloid. As far as I'm concerned, the Globe is nothing but the Herald with verbs. And I'm not one to start trouble. But it's really great to be here at BC. And I love ever to excel. I am Aristotle, the Greeks would say, but that's my alma mater, everything. So you people can go home and I'll take over. Here I am from Paddy's land, a land of ivory down. I broke the hearts of all the girls from miles from Katy town. And when they hear that I am away, they'll raise a hullabaloo. When they hear about that handsome lad, they call O'Donoghue. For I'm the boy to please her, and I am the boy to please her. I'm the boy can squeeze her, and I'll tell you what I do. A quarter like an Irish man, the brogan Barney too is my man. The Rolligan, Holligan, Swallergan, something bold O'Donoghue. Thank you.
What a great surprise. That really takes me back. And now, Mr. President, you're in the library for posterity. So.